What's up, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is an oldie. It was filmed back in May and it was still on my phone, and I was like, let me go ahead and get this video together because it's been way too long. I have not put out a video for you guys in several months, and I apologize for that, but we'll definitely catch up in another video. But this video is all about cleaning off this deck that was just an eyesore for most of spring. So we're cleaning off the deck. We're going to refresh the furniture and add a new rug. And guys, you're gonna see all of us have a hand in cleaning off this deck. It was desperately in need of some TLC. We didn't get everything clean, but it was all right. It served its purpose, which was in preparation of my oldest son, that's him right there, and his graduation party. So stay tuned and let's get started.
Won't you come over? Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, 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 nah. Delve into emotion. Leave us in this moment.
So if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Rhonda, and I bring you all things cleaning and decorating with a little bit of lifestyle content mixed in. So if you enjoy those types of videos, please like and share this video. And I would also love if you subscribed to my channel and join the One Load at a Time family. So guys, as you can see, we all had a hand in pressure washing the deck. There were a few spots that we just couldn't get up, and I guess we'll take care of that later on when we revamp the entire deck and add on to that, which I'll talk about later. But here we're just going to move on to my oldest son pressure washing the furniture. Like I mentioned earlier, there was just a lot of dirt and pollen that was caked on, but the pressure washer really did a great job with getting everything off. We also discovered through the process that the little valve that controlled the soap coming out of the pressure washer was broken, so none of the soap was coming out to actually wash it off, but just the pressure of the water was able to get everything nice and clean. So I'm glad we were able to do that. So I didn't get a chance to videotape the rest of or them putting the furniture back out, but I just wanted you guys to see we pressure washed all of the furniture in the table, but the table still has some specks on it from like when I spray painted. I don't know, it went through the drop cloth. So anyway, I'm gonna get something and paint this tabletop again. I don't know what color. If I can find this color, it's almost like a speckled stone type color. I don't know, but I'm gonna figure it out and paint it before this weekend. And plus we put a new rug down. It is so pretty and bright and airy, so it makes it look bigger to me. Don't pay attention to this the gas thing. We haven't put the grill and everything else back here yet, So, but I just wanted to see or show you the progress. So we've put the plants back out. I'm gonna clean out these lanterns or whatever. And then I have a mat over here for the grill. So I'm gonna put the mat down here. This is just oil stains, and we tried our best to get that up, but it's just not coming up right now. So we're not gonna worry about it because eventually we're gonna have the deck redone. We're actually going to extend the deck out past, like, all the way over there. We're going to extend the deck down, so hopefully we can do that soon. Look at the garden, guys. You see it? But anyway, so yes, I just wanted to show you that progress. And right now I'm just going to go and put the mat out here. My husband is actually outside spraying or spray painting the grill because it had so much rust on it. So he cleaned it, and now he's bringing it back to life with some spray paint. So we're going to go and check on him real quick. Okay, so a lot of the grill looks like all of that rust down there, some parts of it. But Kevin has been out here spraying the grill, and it's coming back to life. Let's take a look at it. It's looking better. Need to clean off the gauges. But yep, it's definitely looking better. But I'll be back with another update.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. It could all be worse. Pills to make the man, but that poison's gonna chew you from the inside out. So right now, say it with your chest now, say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free, can't nobody
So the spray paint that we used is specific to grills to withstand high heat or what have you. So we won't have to worry about the grill catching on fire or whatever. And we've used it several times since we've spray painted, and it's been great just having the updated look. There was no need really to buy a new grill because it still works fine. It was just ugly because we didn't we weren't covering it enough after we used it, and then it would rain. So you know the drill. We just kind of got lazy with protecting it. So when we do upgrade to a new grill, we'll make sure that we keep the cover on it, so it won't get weathered or what have you from all of the rain. So here I'm putting down the mat. I actually thought this mat was longer and it would actually go over to cover the stain here on the left side of the screen, but it didn't. So, and it was just really rolled up. So I wanted to use the umbrella stand just to try to flatten it out. And I went back and did that on all four sides just to make sure it was flat before we put the grill on top. But of course the grill or the weight from the grill helped to flatten it out as well. So here we are. This is the next day, and I'm just adding the cushions back, and I'm going to try to decorate a little bit, but it doesn't work for me. I thought my table was bigger than what it actually is, so the ideas that I had really didn't work for it. So, but it's okay. You'll watch me work through it.
It's my time to ride it now. It's your time. Oh, if you're on the bus, say yeah. Yeah. If you're on the train, say yeah. Yeah. If you gotta walk, say yeah. Yeah. Everybody's going somewhere. Yeah. Young or old, I really don't care. Yeah. I'm in my zone, can't fail. Got my mindset on grade, like I am home, no doubt. Time to raise it too loud. I'm gonna light up the sky, gonna play it strong. 'Cause I've got that fire inside, lighting up my heart. No looking back, heaven knows.
So fam, here is the final
It's time
look.
to get
I
up
decided
and
to
go.
just put the citronella
La
candles
passion
on the
by.
table versus adding place settings. It wasn't necessary considering we will be just sitting out here talking and we needed, more protection from just the bugs and mosquitoes versus having actual place settings on the table. But I am so happy with how clean and refreshed the deck looks. I love the new rug. I think the rug just brightens up the space and it's, in contrast to the dark stain on the deck. But yeah, I'm just so happy with how everything turned out. Guys, thanks again for spending some of your time with me today. I hope you found some type of inspiration in this video or a little bit of motivation just to get up and get some things done around your house. I can't wait to bring you more great content in the near future. But until then, thanks so much for helping me sort through life and laundry one load at a time. Bye for now.